Time when it's young and not mature, you'll see a redness when you peel the yam. But look at this.
So this yam is
rich
from
and yellow.
This yam is from Westmoreland?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
all
certainly.
Right.
It's like it's from Westmoreland. The hilly regions, a place there that is called Glenbrook.
Yeah.
So this is what we do here.
Of course. And this is the lady, all right?
Oh, yes.
My second mother.
Okay.
Taking good care for sure. Yes, and that's my friend there in the background.
Hi.
Yeah. Joy, that's my daughter.
Looking forward to the refreshing coconut juice.
Yes,
wow,
exactly,
we can't wait for that.
And she sounds like she loves the camera,
No, I'm a nature lover.
Of course. Yes. And a country girl by heart.
Country girl by heart,
Yeah. So, we want to get some of the jelly juice. Big up,
Yeah,
one that is picking the jelly every time.
Right. Yeah, that's
So say hello to the people, Indian. Big up.
hi.
All right.
Yeah, big up everyone. We are all neighbors here.
Yes. Family.
Each one help one.
Of course.
Yep. So we're just waiting to get the rich
jelly. You have to go
natural mineral juice.
Enjoy. I go for the chopper.
We mash it.
To cut the jelly.
Yeah.
Yes, can go for it. You're going now.
Yeah.
Aye.
Wow.
That's what I mean.
You see how robust they are? Big.
Like they're rich.
Big and
man.
robust.
Big, really big.
This, we didn't use
Look at
any
this.
artificial thing.
Look at this. My one hand can't lift up. It's too big.
Exactly.
I was telling you that on the weekend at the funeral of my second mother's mother. So here's it over here. Yes, Mother Harvey. Right. So here is the grave spot. It was a good time, a good weekend. But if I don't show you everything that happened, I will show you a little of what went on. So, happy to come on here and share with you guys. So this is what is going on here in Westmoreland.
Gonna be using it to fertilize. The ackee tree over there.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yeah, this one burst. Woo! So you want?
Yes, this way. Yeah.
You want the cup, man? The cup there, Joy?
Joy, bring one cup, yeah.
Yeah.
And the machete.
Yeah, man, to chop it,
Bring
to chop them.
machete.
Yeah.
You find the plate? Joy, you find the plate? Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Yeah, we're just waiting. We have a banana over there. It's just about growing and
The green banana, the banana shoot.
Banana over there. What we do, we cut the hand and
gosh.
leave it there. We don't take it inside, so it is stale. Cut off a hand each time.
Each time. Yeah.
Right. If you want
That's what you do in the country. Cut everything one time.
Exactly. So this way it's fresh.
Yes.
And continues to grow.
That's Mother Hyacinth, man. She loves the camera and the talking,
Of course, we have to let them know this is why we live longer in the country.
Yes, and your mother was how old again?
97 years old.
Yes.
And it's not that she was sick and laying in bed.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we have to give God thanks for that.
Definitely.
The land.
Definitely.
The Bible tells you the herbs are for the healing of the nation.
Yes, that's right.
So
Come, Joy.
we need to do that.
Right, here comes the machete in there.
Yes, machete.
Yeah. Hold it. Let me show it. Let me drain out this one first.
Put another. Yeah. Yes. That's what it over it.
Look at most of it drained.
Most of it drained out already.
Yeah.
It's empty.
Yeah, the compost heap, that's how they do. We just throw a little of the peeling skin at the root.
Of the plants
of the tree.
Stays there as natural fertilizer.
Yeah.
No artificial thing.
Country living, country life is everything. The rooster, the chicken on the side. Yes, right here the sugar cane. So that's what's going on. One chop. Oi, he come like a stone. Yeah, cut. Yeah,
Ooh,
this is
this
good.
one is good. Oh.
No light. You got me to this water sweet. Yeah, real deal.
Indian, let's put that for a spoon of my back at the cook.
Yeah, I do.
That one not there, so no put that. Then can
In a better position myself to give you a swift. Alright. Yeah, man. Have a good day.
This is good. So the meat on the top.
Yeah. Yeah.
And throw it in the pan. Hey, me feel it in a sprout out on me. Yes, this is how we do it.
What that job?
Come Joy. Yeah man, good life. Alright, so we got the lemon here.
You have to put in the juice.
Yeah.
Makes it more refreshing. And all the vitamin C.
Yeah.
We don't have to depend on artificial stuff.
That's
We
what
have
it is.
right here.
Real Jamaican
Some
lemon. This is
lemon.
what it looks like.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it in the coconut water.
Yep.
This is what makes it really nice.
And full of vitamin C.
See? Yeah. And it have a nice taste, more like
Lemonade.
lemonade, right? Yeah, that's it.
More like lemonade.
That's it. Natural lemonade. And this is good for the blood pressure. Alright, so if you have high blood pressure, this is good for it. Put your lemon in the coconut water, drink on your empty stomach when you wake up in the morning.
First thing.
Yes, first thing in the morning. And it is good. It will lower your blood pressure. And it also will boost your immune system.
Right, you don't have to rely on any medication. This is
Yeah,
medicine, natural
that is
medicine
it. Natural medicine.
in itself.
Yeah. This is what is going on.
Also very good for cholesterol.
Yeah, for cholesterol. Yes.
That's your cholesterol.
Yes.
Keep
That
your
is true.
cholesterol on a low level.
Also, when you're adding the lemon to it, you can't put too much because the lemon is strong. You just want it to, have that kind of glazed taste. Like, yeah, a little bit of tanginess to it. So you can't overpower it with the lemon. I'm telling you, this is really good stuff. Yeah? You guys know me well. This is the life I enjoy living. Yeah.
Until I.
That is it. The real deal now. Yeah, man. Drink and wash off your heart.
Look at the amount in
Yeah, big. Yeah. Yeah, man. And until next time, see you. Adios.
Like, subscribe,